Sky Space, the Royal Tantra on the Great Perfection of Bodhicitta. Through immersion in me, your trainings are completed. We do not reach any end, so even if we travel quickly, we do not go anywhere other than the dominion of the Dharma. The blazing fire mountain at the end of the eon will burn everything in the 3 realms and the 10 directions, but there is nothing that will burn or singe me. Thusness is the embodiment of the heart essence of enlightenment. The flood at the end of the eon will wash over everyone, but it will not moisten the tip of my tongue. The children of the Buddhas of the 3 times may feed their stomachs at one time. But within the dominion of equanimity, we do not move. There is nothing that will hinder the satisfaction of my stomach. I sleep in the space of the 3 realms and the 6 classes of living things. The 5 poisons and the 3 poisons digest in my stomach. The differences among the vehicles are perfected in the one, while everything is a sphere of shining wisdom. The lion of speakers overwhelms the king of the deer, and rises by himself alone. His general decisions about the vehicles are expansive like the sky. He is a primordial Buddha. We have nothing to hunt for. We are present by ourselves in the heart of the sun. We do not need to hunt for the light. Just so, when we are aware of the meaning of a single training, all of our trainings, with none left out, are perfected in this one. When we are aware of the path of the proper Buddha, our great lust, hatred, stupidity, pride, and jealousy are for some reason the pathway of our Buddhahood. People who desire these things demolish bad omens and the bubble of their attributions in a majestic, self-originating enlightenment. They do not discriminate, and they have no ideas about high and low. For some reason, the 5 poisons of our delusion are primordially the self-evidence of our own wisdom. The center of the sun is empty of darkness. Just so, there exists neither delusion nor non-delusion. Even our lust, hatred, and stupidity are for some reason the essence of the 3 bodies. This is why the dominion of thusness, without being empowered, is primordially the holy dominion of the Dharma.